Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today topic is introduction to SAP. So let's see what is SAP. So there is a standard definition. SAP stands for System Application and Product in Data Processing. Okay. So what is SAP in actual? So let's say there is a company who is involved in manufacturing. So initially they are going to procure the raw material. Let's say iPhone, you are making iPhone, so initially we need some raw material to make the iPhone. So we will doing the procurement process. One process is there, procurement. Now next process will be manufacturing the parts or assembly. All this process will be there, so we consider it in a manufacturing. So this will come under the production planning. Okay, so there is another part, production planning. Now once the product is ready, we are going to sell it. So now the next part is sales. So from procurement to manufacturing to sales. So this is the one example. So based on this business process, SAP is the software which will be used to manage all these tasks. Okay, so let's have a look over the history of SAP. Okay, so SAP was found in the year 1972 in Germany. Okay, so from 1972 onwards we are having SAP in the markets, and till now SAP is growing. Okay, so after that SAP, like how SAP is surviving. Okay, so they have a particular technique. So they are with the help of continuous innovations in the market, understanding the customer need. So all these things SAP is continuously following up. Okay, so after 1972 SAP has focused more on the standardizing the process. Okay, after that I think around 2015 onwards there was S4 HANA launch. Okay, after that there is a cloud platform, success factor, and so on. This thing is going on. So SAP is continuously working on the improvement. Okay, so in S4 HANA there will be several modules. Let's say finance, logistic, procurement kind of module will be there. So there is a BTP, success factor, and so on. SAP is coming with. Okay, so the next part, key feature of SAP. So first part is like integration of all the business functions. So irrespective of the service industry, you are in a manufacturing industry, you are in a retail industry, so integration is smoothness. Okay, and next point is like real-time data processing for better decision making. You can say there is a requirement, we are having some sales target. Okay, so based on the sales target we need to decide how much product need to be manufactured. Okay, so this data will be shared between the sales requirement team to the manufacturing team, so they can predict easily how much manufacturing we need to do for a particular product this month. So this is real time data processing. Okay, and there will be no let's say sales team is giving we need the 100 boxes of X product, and then based on that whether we need to procure or we need to manufacture, we will be having the exact number of that requirement. So real time data will be there. Okay, there will be no, it's not like 1 minute ago we are having 10 boxes, now after 1 minute, let's say after 11 minutes ago there was 9 boxes, so that difference won't be there. So whatever will be the new requirements in case sales team change their requirement, so the latest requirement will be there. Okay, so this is the real time data processing. Now the next thing is SAP will be like small, medium, okay, or large, all the business type. Okay, now the next point is like SAP is specific to industries also. So there are specific modules also which has been released. So we can take example like retail industry, oil and gas industry. Okay, so SAP have released these specific modules also for these industries. So benefits, it's like a centralized system. Okay, efficiency will be increased. So and real time data analytics and reporting capabilities will have. Okay, this is the most important thing. We are having a particular distribution. Okay, so there is a technical module. After that there is a functional module. Okay, so these are the two major parts which we can have a focus. So in technical module there is a ABAP. So here the person who is working on ABAP, they will more focus on the coding part. Okay, basis here they will see the system administration part. Okay, now coming to the functional module. So these are the three core module. So FICO is there. Here team will be managing the accounting part. Now there is a SD module, sales and distribution. Now there is a MM module, which is a material management. All the procurement part will be managed over here. Apart from this, we have some several cloud models also, which is SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Ariba, SAP Concur. So there are various competitors also, but you can have a look over the slide. So Microsoft Dynamic, NetSuite. Okay, so all these are competitor SAP, but SAP is leading the industry. So conclusion, SAP is one of the you can say the future proof career if you want to dive in this career. So from 1972 onwards, this is leading the industry. Okay, in terms of ERP. So I think in 2015, so SAP have launched their S4 HANA. Okay, so still people are using ECC. So till now people have not changed from ECC to S4 HANA. I think almost 20 to 30% people have adopted to S4 HANA. Still there are 70% people in industry are there who is going to migrate to S4 HANA, and this is a very long term you can say career for one if you want to look into it. Okay, so this much only in this session. So I'm going to cover a lot of topic in the upcoming session. So thank you very much, all the best, bye bye.